So, I wanted to kind of give you guys a general idea as to what goes into executing a true professional grade Zen-like sharpening job, exhibiting utmost expertise and Shaolin mastery. Sharpening in its purest form is a profound spiritual art. At an absolute minimum, it requires discipline, patience, practice, diligence, determination, intuition, improvisation, confidence, unwarranted arrogance, an incurable superiority complex, excessively long periods of meditation, brief moments of silence, long moments of silence, a moderate degree of mental illness, and above all else, the ability to become one with the blade. I mean, it's either that or you can use a strop. Strops weren't allowed at the ancient monastery in Japan where I studied the prehistoric art of Bushido and how it applies to godlike knife sharpening. So, for better or worse, I had to take the difficult route. You know, those monks may look like they dedicated their minds, bodies, and souls to a peaceful life of pursuing spiritual, omnipresent, supergalactic oneness. But believe me, they're pretty fucking strict. But to make a painstakingly long story short, after discovering cliffstamp.com, I coincidentally decided that I had learned everything I could from the monks and was ready for the next phase of my journey. I came back to America with one goal, and that was to share my vast and newly acquired knowledge with the world. Just kidding. I just wanted to whittle hairs on YouTube. But you can rest assured that in the coming days, you can expect some crucial specifics to help you in your quest of achieving the perfect climax.